Topcon's 3D GPS Plus finished grading systems add full automation using the same core components as indicate-only systems through an added hydraulics controller that matches blade movement to grade information supplied by the digital site plan. The same control box now displays fine grading details as the operator controls machine direction and speed, while the control box operates the hydraulics for the blade movement. A set of sensors unique to each type of machine send signals to the control box to calculate tilt along each axis of the machine. This modular system makes upgrades easier and much less expensive, but with the same Topcon quality.
We started comparing to what else was out there, and what we found the major difference was that you can swap the components of the Topcon system, which made a big difference. You weren't necessarily obligated to get an entire setup if you wanted to outfit a new machine, and that made a big difference to us. We didn't like the idea of being pigeonholed. If you want to get into another machine, you have to buy the entire setup again, and you're reinvesting all of your money.
Clearly, full blade automation brings greater production speeds even as accuracy increases, and material costs drop significantly.
We subgrade the road with a crown in it now. We then lay gravel. Again, we put the crown in it, and then we pave it on top of that. If you took a cross-section of our pavement, you see perfect little layers. And what that really boils down to isn't that, it makes the grader's job easier or the paver's job easier. It means that you know exactly how much gravel you have down. You know that it's a consistent thickness. And when you bid your project, you know that you can actually count on your takeoff materials being exactly what they are on the drawings.
Whether you're cutting building pads or road beds or parking lots, the Topcon 3D system, through the combination of GPS Plus positioning and the digital site map, automates your grade cut to within 1/10 of a foot. This system does not depend on staking. Once your system is localized at the start of the job, you are ready to grade.
When you start out, you're going to be maybe 90% stakes. Then as you get better, that's going to drop off to 80%, 70%, 60%. And before you know it, you're just going to have minimal stakes. Minimal.
The system has allowed me to do the job that I would normally do without needing stakes on the job site, without needing another man to work the stakes, to check the grades as I'm going along if we're doing it by laser. With this system, I can go and do the job that I'm supposed to do for the day and then go out and assist, such as a quick locate of a building corner, quick grade check of a footing for a building, or even going out and getting elevations for top of structures while I'm doing my subgrade on the road.
And this automated system is far superior to grading with even an automatic laser or sonic tracker system. And Topcon's addition of GLONASS satellites ensures virtually no downtime.
This landfill that we used the GPS on was 44 acres, all 3-to-1 slopes. It was, actually the whole job was variable slopes. I don't think there was a flat spot on it. I had a tolerance of 1/10 over the whole site. And I had maybe 55 corrections. Normally, if we'd done it the old school way, you would have had probably 1,000 corrections or more.
An additional benefit of machine control is that it makes all of your operators more effective. They can achieve optimal results more easily, and this allows you to allocate your crew more efficiently.
I do put stakes out, for scrapers to see, just for eyesight. But as far as when I go to finishing, I just turn the guys loose.
Within 2 hours, it was almost old hat. It's a very easy system to run. The hardest part is letting the machine do what it needs to do. I think it doubles our productivity. It's unbelievable how much we can pick up and how much time we can save. The system just, at times, amazes me.
You get into GPS and you're operating it and everything's smoothly running. I mean, there's just, I don't see as there being, I don't know how we can operate without it, as far as grading.